Last little video, guys. One other guy I work with, a fellow called Mark, asked me to sharpen one of his pocket knives. Here it is, Kershaw lockback. Give it a bit of a lube and a clean as well. When you give this to me, wouldn't cut your finger, wouldn't cut anything at all. It was properly rounded over. So put a nice little micro bevel on it there. And now is as sharp as I can get it. I don't know what steel it is. It's got, if you can make that out there, 1060 Japan stamped on it. Whatever it is, it's hard. Like the paper is not even there. Lee from LB Customs are going to try some of your Fido Dido here. These cut tests, I hate doing them, but there you go. Sharp as. Hope you're happy with that, Mark. So I'll give it a lube and a clean. There we go. Ta-ra for now.